the car wash. Got a free vacuum.
Welcome to our car wash. To get started, select your wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen. By wash. Please select a car wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen. Thank you. Please select an upgrade. Or if you do not want an upgrade, press No Upgrade. No upgrade? Please insert cash or card. You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you again for your car wash purchase.
Alright, I just want to let you know, if it breaks it, I'm not taking care of it.
That's fine, yeah, don't
That's
take
okay.
that.
Alright.
This must be a powerful car wash.
Yeah, they try to take it off the floor.
Oh.
Guess they've had liberties that torn the antenna part of it off the floor. It's scary.
Lord.
Moving forward. Beat this car to death.
It's an octopus or something. They knew what was going to happen.
Lieutenant Deb. It's going to get us and film. Yeah, you were right. It tore that thing completely off.
Yeah, I was trying
We
to.
have some at home where they do the same thing. They try to take it off. But we have another car wash where it didn't do it. So. But you were right. We should have listened to you.
I was trying to say.
I know you were. I
So
didn't
I
think.
mean, 'cause I've said something with them on there before. That's the reason why I picked them.
Yeah.
Because they break. Those are, I can send 300 or 400 of these right here,
Yeah.
but because they're not in the fender well,
Yeah.
they don't break.
Ours was, we have another car wash at home where we go through no problem.
Yeah.
Anyway, we should have listened to you. I appreciate it. Thank you. So we should have listened to the guy. He tried to take our antenna off for us, but we wouldn't do it. That's stubborn. It tore it off.